Hello, I'm Elin Chakma. I live in Rangamati. I'm from Bangladesh. Today we are coming to Raj Bonabihar with mother and sister. Everyone in the country and in Bangladesh support us. This is my dance phase. I do a small work on dance. Everyone should follow my face. Those who support me from outside in the country, much love and best wishes to all. I hope everyone will support me because I'm a four-village boy. After my father died, my mother and I are here. My mother lives in village house. I cannot speak English. Forgive everyone if you make a mistake. Thank you.
বেগদাঙৰ ফলো পাই দিনেই কঠিন জীৱ